How to download US Bank Statement PDF. If you need to download your US Bank Statement as a PDF using your phone browser or app, here's a simple way to do it. First thing first, open Safari or Chrome on your mobile device. In the address bar, type in US Bank Login or usbank.com and press enter. Once the website loads, tap Login at the top right corner of the screen. Now you simply need to enter your user ID and password, or enter email address and the password, then click on Sign In. If prompted, complete the security verification code. After logging in, go to your account summary page. Tap on the account you want the statement from, like checking or savings. Next, look for statements and documents or account services. Then tap on Statements. You will see a list of available monthly statements. Select the month you need. Then tap the Download PDF or View PDF option. The statement will open as a PDF file. Tap the share icon on your browser to save it to files, email it, or print it. And that's it. That's how you download your US Bank Statement PDF directly from the website on your phone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.